There are majority of people, once they notice a pimple in any part of their face, they will try to pop it. Someone tried popping a pimple in a particular part of his face and he faced the repercussion. That is why in today's video, I want to take time, break it down for you to know the reason why you should never pop pimple in the area of the triangle of death. Last week, I saw a woman who came with a pimple just here. He came with a pimple here. And I took it wise to let the person go and see the specialist who will attend to the woman, because a pimple in that area is very crucial. When you try to tamper with it, it can lead to certain kind of complications. The area of the triangle of death include top of your nose to the corners of your upper lip. Now, one thing that is essential in this area of triangle of death is that area contains a lot of blood vessels. So this means that a lot of veins, arteries are found in this area of triangle of death. And these blood vessels intend to supply your brain, your eyes, the nose. So all these organs are being supplied by the blood vessels in the area of the triangle of death. Now, the problem comes if you try to pop a pimple in the area of the triangle of death. Have it in mind that before a pimple occurs, this means that there is a kind of bacteria called Cutibacterium acne. They are found in any pimple which happens in a particular area of your face. When you try to pop that pimple, you bury the pimple deep into the pores, and that in return can end up in the bloodstream or the blood vessels, which can be supplied to the brain, your eye, and even your facial muscles. I understand. So these are the likely complications that can happen. One is that it can lead to brain infection, which can result in meningitis, encephalitis, and a lot of things. Then the second thing is that this bacteria can be supplied to your eye, and it can lead to you experiencing eye problems like blindness. This is because your eye is being supplied by a lot of blood vessels which are being innervated at the area of the triangle of death. And when these bacteria end up in the eye, it can infect the eye, causing blindness. Also, this area contains some muscles. So when the infection try to spread through the area of the triangle of death, it can cause cellulitis of your face. And cellulitis is also one very serious skin infection, which left unattended can be very fatal to you. Some people can even experience difficulty in speaking, because the muscle that innervates your mouth are being affected or infected. So henceforth, if you find a pimple in this area of the triangle of death, don't tamper with it. It is best you go to see your doctor so that your doctor will help you with the best management protocol with it. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.